Christmas time is full of magic. Ordinary things turn into magic ones. Do you want to know how? Watch it in our new video, How to Transform Plain Christmas Ornaments into Edible Ones. Christmas time is coming. We should decorate the room, but neither of us is in the Christmas spirit. Even sparkly tinsel can't make us happy. No holiday cheer is being spread around. We can hardly assemble a Christmas tree. It keeps falling and can't stand upright. Finally, we managed to assemble the tree, though there's a gap in the middle. Did a squirrel hollow used to be there? We disguised the hollow with tinsel. We can't make it better, however we try. Oh, it seems we've just doubled the tinsel. Let's see what we have in our box full of Christmas decorations. My friend puts on a reindeer headband. I take bells. At least we can do a Jingle Bells clip. Or shoot a movie, How to Get Over Christmas. We want to have the room decorated and the holiday cheer spread around. The Fairy of Holiday and Joy has heard our wish. She comes to spread a little Christmas cheer. The fairy is sure we're so exhausted and unhappy because we are hungry, so she conjures an edible Christmas ball ornament. Inflate a little balloon. Roll up sugar paste. Wrap it around the balloon. Carefully smooth and pull up the edges. Twist it to fasten. Put the wrapped balloon into a cup and let it dry overnight. When dry, cut off the excess paste. Prick the balloon to take it out. Cut out a little circle from the paste. Apply gelatin in a water solution to the paste ball and attach the circle. Paint the ball with pearl food coloring. Attach a sugar paste cap using the DIY gelatin glue. Use silver food coloring to paint it. Cover the ornament with silver stars using the food coloring and edible glitter. We are amazed! Is it really edible? We break it with a fork and taste. The ball is breakable and chewable. It's delicious! We immediately get into the Christmas spirit. The fairy starts decorating the room. She waves her magic wand to turn the room into Santa Claus's office. She must have learned Christmas design in the Lapland. The fairies transformed an untidy, boring room into a magic Christmas wonderland. Thank you, fairy! The magic continues. The fairy makes up her mind to conjure us Christmas outfits. Voila! We're wearing new clothes. Now we're a unicorn and a cat princess. The fairy has to leave us. She's got a busy schedule before Christmas. Oops! What's this? It's her magic wand. The fairy disappeared so quickly she must have dropped it from her hand. Yahoo! We're going to start Christmas magic. It's amazing! We can feel like real fairies and conjure anything we wish. Let's try to make edible Christmas ornaments first. Transform this ball into a lovely snowman. Pour hot water to cover almonds. Keep them soaked for a duration of 5 to 10 minutes. Peel the skin off easily after that. Keep the almonds on a hot pan for a while to dry. Crush crisp waffles into fine crumbs. Add condensed milk and mix well. The mash shouldn't be too wet. Make sure you can shape a ball. Put a few almonds into a piece of waffle dough. Make a snowball. Shape another smaller ball. Cover them with coconut shavings. Put the balls on each other and top them with a Raffaello candy. Cut out a nose and arms from orange peels. Make holes using a toothpick. Put in the peel details. Draw eyes and a mouth using a food marker. It can see and smile. It's so cute, I can't think of eating it. However, this crafty little unicorn quickly eats the top of the ornament. Oh, and then I'll taste it as well. It tastes as nicely as it looks. The unicorn friend tries on a new image. She uses the magic wand to choose a Christmas accessory for a masquerade. Good luck! If you wear these fancy glasses, even your mom wouldn't recognize you. I've brought more decorations, but the young fairy turns them into an edible icing. Separate egg white from the yolk. Add 3 ounces of sifted confectioner's sugar into the white and stir. When the mass is thick enough, put in 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 3 ounces of confectioner's sugar again. Stir the icing thoroughly to get the appropriate consistency. Put the icing into a Ziploc bag. Snip off a corner. Put a printed out picture into a sheet protector. Squeeze the icing to trace the picture. When hardened, carefully peel the sheet protector and remove the decorations. These open work ornaments are beautiful and tasty. Use them to decorate your Christmas tree. Just be careful not to mix them up with the plastic ones. My friend can't put away the magic wand. She wants to turn Christmas ball ornaments into sweet little Christmas trees. You'll need ready waffle crusts. Press a cookie cutter to make a Christmas tree. Melt green colored chocolate in a double boiler. Use a silicone spatula to cover the Christmas trees with the chocolate. Use a spoon to apply texture to one tree. Use a toothpick to pierce holes for threads. Decorate the Christmas trees with sprinkles, edible glitter, and green coconut shavings. Edible trees! We'll never prick a finger on the sweet trees. The wand uses real magic. I'm going to conjure a surprise gift for my cat princess. A mug? No. A candle? No. Fish? What's that got to do with it? Okay, my magic ability needs some training. Ah, a gift box! She'll certainly like it. Wait, I'll decorate it with edible snowflakes. Melt blue chocolate and transfer it into a Ziploc bag or a pastry bag. Snip off a corner. Cover a printed out picture of snowflakes with baking paper. Trace the images. Sprinkle with edible glitter before it dries. Remove the hardened snowflakes while pulling the paper carefully from the table edge. They're sparkly and delicate, just like my golden-haired princess. What else should I conjure? Here's the pretty girl holding a plate in her hands. Okay, I'll create more sweets. Cream 2 ounces of soft butter and 2 ounces of sugar until light and fluffy. Beat in an egg yolk and a spoonful of liquid honey. Stir well. In a separate bowl, combine 1 cup of sifted flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and the same quantity of baking soda. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Stir the dry ingredients. Add it into the creamed mixture. Roll into a ball. Cover it with plastic wrap and refrigerate for about an hour. Roll the cool dough and cut with a gingerbread cookie cutter. Make a hole with a thin tube for thread to pass through. Heat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 10 minutes. Decorate the cookies with the colored icing from the Ziplocs. Make faces and clothes to keep them warm. Pass thread through the hole and tie a knot. Gingerbread is the scent of the season, and the thread can be used as dental floss. The crafty unicorn girl's using the magic wand for her benefit. She's conjured to get X-ray vision, and now she can see through the wrapping to know what's inside the gift boxes. What a foxy girl! She's putting aside what she doesn't like. Aha! This is interesting. I think I should take this gift box. While my friend is busy with her spy activity, I sneak and take the magic wand. What can I conjure? What about silver nuts? You'll need walnuts. Paint the shell with silver food coloring. Now, take walnut-shaped cookies. Cover them with the same food coloring. Guess which one is a real nut and which one is its twin cookie. Wind ribbon around the nuts. The cat princess eats a cookie nut. Tasty! She puts the other on the mantle. She shouldn't do that. The crafty unicorn sneaks to replace the cookie nut with the real walnut. The cat blonde can't see the difference. She tries to bite the nut. Oh, it's hard! The magic wand seems to have broken. She leaves it on the mantel. That's what I was going for. My precious is with me again. Let's play hide and seek. I'll try to escape from my friend outdoors. The magic wand will help me do it. Where's this energetic unicorn gone? It's suspicious. How does she happen to get outside so quickly? I'm hunting my friend all around the city. She uses the wand to hide from me, and she succeeds. The magic helps her. She can be anywhere in a moment. Where's this cat princess? I'm bored without her. I should return home and make a firecracker to entertain her. Take an empty foil roll, snip off the top of a balloon, tie a knot, pull the balloon onto the tube and tape to fasten. Mark off the tube size on self-adhesive paper. Attach it to the tube. Embellish it with silver and golden stars made from self-adhesive paper. Put in rainbow and colored candies. Cover the tube with thin paper. Fasten with a rubber band. Cut off the excess paper. The firecracker fails to work for the first time. Let's use the magic. Well, this is more like it. What could be better than candy confetti? The unicorn and cat princess have eaten too much of the edible ornaments and decorations. They're too tired and bored to even fight for the magic wand. They've fallen asleep, leaving the magic wand on the floor, and the fairy appears. She's furious. She's angry with the girls who have misused her magic wand. She's used to doing good things, and they did nothing but conjured lots of sweets for themselves. In addition to sweets, the wand seems to conjure them excess weight. That's what happens when the magic wand is misused. Magic needs responsibility. Did you like our magic wand? And what about edible ornaments? Write in your comments.
Do it! Prank wars, beauty hacks, magic tricks, we got your back. Tips, bring it in. You'll never be bored again. Slime, DIY, always a new surprise. The channel that will blow your mind.